Why clean out the liver? With the amount of rubbish humans are known to consume these days frequently, there is no question about how important it is to clean out the body system, especially organs that are too vital, like the liver. Welcome to another episode of the Brainfield channel. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, today is as good a day as any to smash that subscribe button on your screen. In this video, we will discuss the best foods to clean your liver. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Oatmeal. It has become a known fact that oatmeal is a simple and easy way to increase the presence of fiber in your diet. Fiber is an important digestive aid, and the specific fibers found in oats may be especially beneficial to the liver. Beta-glucans are compounds found in oats and oatmeal which have been studied and said to help reduce the amount of fat stored in the liver in mice, potentially protecting the liver. This benefit cuts across oatmeal and grains. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Growing up, we always thought eating greens was punishment. Well, it turns out that in the long run, eating green vegetables like kale, broccoli, and radishes is very much helpful to the liver. What do? For starters, they aid in the detoxification of the liver and assist the liver in getting rid of inflammation. Caffeine, drugs, chemicals, and poisons can all be quickly detoxified when these vegetables are incorporated into the diet. They help in the reduction of insulin resistance and improve insulin sensitivity. These vegetables have been said to reduce diabetes complications and support blood sugar levels. Number 3. Coffee. Although we've all heard that drinking too much coffee is bad for you, moderate amounts of this popular beverage can provide significant health benefits, including a lower risk of liver disease. And this is not hearsay. Numerous studies have shown that coffee drinkers are less likely to develop liver cirrhosis than non-coffee drinkers. While a 2014 study from the National Library of Medicine showed that coffee helps to reduce fat accumulation in the liver, it also boosts antioxidants that protect the liver. Coffee compounds also aid liver enzymes in ridding the body of cancer-causing substances. Number 4. Turmeric. In recent times, we have seen that it is usually the most undervalued foods that give us the best nutrients. This is the case with turmeric, seeing as it used to be known just as a regular spice added to food. However, turmeric is way more than that. It can also help clean out the liver. Turmeric is known to have anti-inflammatory properties, and it has been shown to reduce elevated liver enzymes and may improve some types of liver disease. This explains why there are supplements with turmeric as their basic ingredient. It also helps decrease the presence of fat in the liver. Number 5. Beets. What are beets? If you're not familiar with beets, beets are root vegetables that grow as a round bulb with a leafy top poking out above the soil. They take shapes similar to that of turnips and radishes. Being a vegetable, it is expected that it has certain helpful benefits, as most vegetable plants do. Beets specifically help reduce the presence of liver enzymes, which are the bedrock of most liver diseases and illnesses. It also helps to activate the release of bile salts, which in turn cause a significant decrease in fat in the liver. While also protecting the liver cells, it helps reduce inflammation in the liver. Number 6. Grapefruit. Far from the sheer bliss gotten from consuming grapefruits, it is also helpful in keeping the overall human health in check. How so? The two distinctive properties of grapefruit that makes it highly sought after are two antioxidants called naringin and naringenin. These antioxidants are said to protect the liver from injury by reducing inflammation and also by protecting the liver cells. But that's not all. A 2019 study showed that naringin might protect against alcohol-induced liver steatosis by reducing oxidative stress. Whether it is in the fruit form or juice form, grapefruit retains its nutrients and is easily incorporated into the feeding diet. Number 7. Garlic. Just like turmeric, garlic in its most basic form contains a truckload of helpful qualities to the human body. Garlic is said to be antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. It is equally high in vitamin B1. It is said to be helpful in stripping off fat from the liver, while also serving as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. Garlic serves as a natural antibiotic. But hey, this does not mean that garlic should be your go-to food for every scenario. It would be helpful to consult with a physician before taking excessive amounts of garlic. In addition to detoxifying the liver, garlic is said to have anti-cancer properties. Number 8. Olive oil. It is well known that the excessive consumption of oil is bad for the liver and the overall health status of the human body. This is undisputed. However, there are certain types of oil that are great for the body and could be used as substitutes for other harmful oil. Olive oil is one of those types of oil. Of course, being a better type of oil, extra virgin olive oil helps decrease the presence of fat on the liver, but it also helps improve liver enzymes. While serving as a powerful anti-inflammatory food, it is helpful in reducing insulin resistance of the liver and also improving insulin sensitivity. All of these foods are foods that have been declared helpful in cleaning out harmful substances from the liver while keeping the liver in the best possible state. As this is done, it is also important that foods that are high in salt, sugar, fat, and starch are significantly reduced. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share it with those that might need this. Till the next time, we bring another insightful video to your screen.